how to make Facebook profile frame on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to canva.com and log into your account, click on create a design and search for Facebook. Go down and click on Facebook profile frame. It will take you to this page. Now choose any frame you want from here. You have many options as you can see. Choose the one that you want. For example, I'm going to choose this one, and you can edit the text and all those things. Very easy to edit as you can see. And yeah, after you finish editing, just go to the top and click download. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.